Shawna here, and today I am doing a Wantable activewear unboxing, or active edit they call it. So it's all kind of workout clothes stuff and comfy, snuggly things. So it's what I really need right now, so I hope I like things. I think it's so funny, they send the tiniest box. I mean, this is a pretty small box, and if it's anything like last time, I'm gonna get a ton of stuff in it. So let's open it up and see what I got. Okay, here's my bundle. Oh! All right, what do we get? So if you guys haven't done Wantable, I'm gonna put my referral code down below. Give it a try. These boxes are great. You can do just regular clothes, or you can do an active, and I'm really liking the active box. But they're both good, so give it a try. Again, they put all the clothes listed here and with little pictures, and it looks like they sent me 7 things. That's a ton and amazing. Okay, but we won't look at the prices quite yet. All right, so the first thing, oh my gosh, this is so soft. Okay, I'm a sucker for soft things. Okay, so this is just a black, like really fine ribbed tank top. And this kind of thing is typically perfect for me to work out in. We'll look at the length, we'll look at how it fits, but this kind of thing is perfect. I don't like a ton of flashy stuff. I don't like a lot of patterns. I'm pretty plain with my workout clothes, but this is soft and simple, and I mean, I would wear this just hanging out in. It's great, by Paper Label. All right, let's see what else we got. Oh, this is cute too. Who's this by? MPG? All right, well, so this is kind of a, I wonder what they call it. It looks gray, maybe kind of a muted lavender or gray lavender. And it's just a really nice, simple tank top as well. Again, perfect for me to work out in, not too flashy, covers things up. But I have a feeling this is gonna be a little bit looser, which is great. I don't need anything hugging it all in. Okay, the next thing is a little bit brighter. It's this bright blue tank top. It's super, super stretchy. And this has a little bit of interest in the back. It has just like a little hole back there, little opening. Nothing too crazy. We don't need to be getting sexy at the gym, but it's still cute and fun, right? Show off a little bit of fun sports bra. All right. Oh, this is nice. Looks like just a long sleeve wicking workout shirt. So it has little holes in the arms and the sleeves there. And it has some mesh material kind of built in different places to give it some interesting style. But this is great for running outside, which I've been doing more. Not enough. Not enough. But you know what this is also good for is, I've taken up mountain biking. I don't know if I mentioned it last time, but it's real scary and it's really fun. So I just go on the little bunny trails and take it easy, not do anything crazy, but this was perfect because you don't like to wear too short sleeves. I mean, you get hot, but it's a little bit chilly. You know, there's mosquitoes and stuff in the woods, but also you can go by branches and things that scratch you. So long sleeves are really good for that. And this might be perfect for mountain biking. Okay, I'll try that on. Oh, fun. Just some like really fun jersey black shorts, which I don't have anything like this. Would be perfect for lounging around this summer. This is like perfect for summer. What? It's sweatpants season's over? It's summer? Okay, let me get my sweat shorts out. Now we're talking. This is exactly what I need. Oh God. Okay, so the next thing is some camo sweatpants. I just bought a camo sweatshirt last time, and I've loved it and worn it like crazy. I'm not sure I need that. I mean, I'm wearing camo pants right now, so I don't know if I need more camo pants, but God, they'll probably fit amazing and I'll love them and have to get them. Have to. They're real cute though. Look at these camo sweatpants. They're joggers. All right, I'll try those on. Ooh, I saw this on their little style feed. and wanted it, and I'm kind of excited about it. It's by MPG as well, and it's like a little workout jacket. And I wanted a jacket that had pockets with a zipper, because I'll get like pullovers and things and they don't have anything where I can put my phone in, or if I'm going for a run, I just need to put my key in or something like that. I would really like to have a jacket with a zipper so I can tuck everything away, but still you know, work out in it if I'm outside. So this is cute, it has little thumb holes as well, and I like it. It's like a dark, like teal color. I can't wait to try this on. I hope it fits and looks adorable. Okay, let me try stuff on and we'll see how it goes. I'll be right back. Okay, be honest. Am I delusional because I've been in the house so much? But I really like these shorts. I know they're probably not amazingly flattering or like anything special, but these are sweat shorts. So I will transition from my sweatpants to summer and sweat shorts. This sounds like a brilliant idea. I don't know what I've been doing with my time. This is the answer right here. So sweat shorts, black, cute, comfy, we'll live in them. Okay. I also got this shirt, and I think it's like lavender or gray. I don't know what it is, but it's comfy. It goes down a little bit low here, but that's okay for workout clothes and sports bras. I like how high up it is. So when you're doing your working out, you're not showing all the ladies and trying to show off a little too much. So I like a little high neck. And it's just simple and not too clingy. I like it. It might show off a lot of sweat though, this color like gray does. But hey, if you're working hard, you gotta show it off. All right, well, I'll go try on my next outfit and I'll be right back. Okay, here's the next outfit. I left the same shorts on, but I put the jacket and the tank top on. So here's a jacket, and I was like, oh, this is so cute, I love it. And then I showed my husband, and he thought there was a little too much going on. So you'll have to tell me what you think. He's like, there's the X, there's some ribbing along the sides, and there's a little bit of ribbing up here. He just thought it was like too much. I don't know if it's because there's like a million tags on it. Tell me what you think. I think it's cute. I think it fits well. I think I could really see warming up in it, or going for an outside run, or going mountain biking in it. Like I like it, but is it too much? Is there a lot? So he thought it was very like hero X-Men type look. So maybe I'm missing the mark here on this one, but I thought it was cute. So you tell me what you think. It'll also depend on the price. And then I put this tank with it, which honestly is nothing special. It's quite thin and soft and flowy. It would really have to depend on the price. Like this, I feel like I could pick up from Target. It does have the cut opening in the back, the little cut, and I think that's really cute. But again, it's nothing that special. Again, we'll just have to check on the price and see if it's worth it. All right, let me go try on the last things. Okay, here's the next outfit, and how many pairs of camo pants does a girl need? These are so comfortable and so perfect for right now, but do I really need more camo? Oh, I just live in these. They're so comfy and great, and they're joggers, and they're not too tight, and they're a little bit thin so that you don't get too hot. It'll depend on the price for real. Okay, the shirt is, I really love the shirt. I love the little style details here. I think it's not too short. It'd be perfect for mountain biking. It's wicking for cold weather running. I think it is awesome. I don't think it's too tight. Although it is fitted, it's not like something uncomfortable. And I like the length of it. It's real long. So I think this shirt is great. Let me go try on the last tank top, and that'll be it, and I'll be right back. Okay, this is just the ribbed tank top. It's nothing special. It's so soft and thin though. I really do like that. I think it has this look where it kind of cuts in a bit much here for me. It's really showing off the guns. But it's nothing too special, and I think it's a tiny bit short. I mean, I don't think it would come up, but it's a tiny bit short for me. So it'd have to be the right price. I don't actually think it's something that I'd wear around, although maybe I'd wear it under something. It's really comfortable and great, but the style's a little here for me. I don't know. You gotta show off the guns a little, but all right, you'll have to tell me what you think about this. All right, so the price really matters for me when it comes to workout clothes. I don't know what is good value, not good value, how much to spend, how much not. It's a little bit of a feeling, but it does matter. So let's take a look and we'll make some decisions. I'll be right back. Okay, it's time to look at the prices. I also read my stylist note, and one thing I'm a little bit disappointed about is that they don't have high impact sports bras. I think they probably have cutesy little yoga bras, but for those of us who are a little bit larger chested and want to do some cardio and run, things like that, we need high impact, or at least medium impact, and they don't have anything like that. So she's keeping an eye out for me. She was able to fill some of my requests in my, in the, what do they call that? Fashion feed or something like that. And so I chose a few things in that, which are, I see here. So let's check the prices and see if anything is a winner. Okay, so the sweat shorts, as I'll call them, I'm sure they have a real fancy name, but you know what I'm talking about, the sweatpants, shorts. They're $48. Looks like I did request them. That seems like a lot for sweat shorts, but I love them. Nothing super flattering. I would wear the heck out of these. They may be worth $48. Okay, oh, what's that? Okay, the Camo sweatpants by Alternative Apparel. The sweat shorts were by them as well. They are $62. It's a little bit much for sweatpants. If I get any more camo, my husband is gonna lose me. It is getting a little ridiculous, but they're so comfy and lovely. Oh, okay, tell me what you think. Am I being crazy? Is this not really necessary? Okay, let me know about that. They call it Violet Smoke tank top. I think this was probably my favorite. I liked how loose it was and covering, but I like the color. It's not something you see all the time. Again, it's nothing amazingly special, but I probably like this one the best. And 36 bucks. I don't think that's totally crazy. You could definitely find a cheaper tank top, right? If you go to Target, you can. I'm not going to Target, but I do really like this tank top. So that one I will probably get. The ribbed tank, oh, see this one, this one's too much. This is by Paper Label. Again, it's amazingly soft and lovely. However, it's $68. It's not worth it. And I didn't love it. So that's a no. Sorry, but thank you, because it makes it easier. All right, so the long sleeve black shirt that I really liked, and it's by Gottex Studio. It's $66. That's a little steep, but man, it feels amazing. I really like this. So it probably depends on what else I get, but I really like to get this one. Darn, that's a little bit much. Is that high? That's high, right? I think it's high. Ugh, I don't know. I didn't love the blue one. It's I forgot to mention, it's a little bit of a tie-dye look to it, but it's really faint, really light tie-dye, and it is $39. I mean, I don't think that's crazy if you love it. It's really stretchy and soft, and I liked how flowy it was. It just wasn't anything too special, so probably not that. And last but not least was the jacket in question, which I really liked. Not everybody in my family did. However, I did notice one thing when I was trying it on, and now I'll have to look back at the video if it's in when I tried it on for you, is that the string fell out. So the string fell out of the hoodie, just trying it on. It has like metal tips, and so, man, that would be annoying if they fell out. I might have to put it on, wear it around my house a little bit and see how it goes, but I really like the jacket, and it was 50 bucks. I mean, it's spendy, without a doubt, but I kind of liked it. What do you think? Okay, so if you buy 5 out of the 7, you get 20% off. And so if I bought everything in the box, and took off my 20% off plus my styling fee, which is $22. The total, if I got everything, is basically 300 bucks. So I don't think I want everything, and I definitely don't want to spend 300 bucks right now, but I'll probably get a few things. Also, a couple people use my referral code that I'll put down below. Give it a try. Man, this is a fun box. I am really liking the activewear box, and it's perfect, and it's like athleisure too, and that's exactly what we need right now. We need to work out, stop eating white flour, and get in shape because summer is coming. All right, thanks so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell if you want to see when I post new videos just like this. All right, thanks so much for watching. Bye.